Every year, we eagerly await the latest and greatest in smartphones, and let's be real, the Samsung Galaxy S series always brings that A game. It's like the Super Bowl of smartphones in the Ultra model. Well, it's the MVP. Picture this. February 2023, Samsung dropped the mic with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Seriously, it blew our minds with its innovative features, killer specs, and a design that's off the charts. But guess what? We're not hitting pause. We've got our eyes locked on the horizon, chasing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In this video, we're cutting straight to the chase, covering all the latest gossip and speculation. No more waiting. Let's get started. Price and release date. Let's talk release dates. If history repeats itself, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to make its grand entrance around February 2024. Remember the twist in 2021 with the S21 dropping in January. So an early year reveal is definitely on the cards. Speaking of digits, let's talk price tags. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra hit the market at $1,200. Gear up, because the pricing for the S24 Ultra is expected to stay in the same ballpark. But hey, we're always on the lookout for official updates, keeping you informed every step of the way. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is predicted to keep that 6.8-inch screen we loved in the previous model and might rock a design reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note. Hold on though, Samsung's got a fresh face on the design squad with Hubert H. Lee, a former Mercedes-Benz designer, leading the charge at the mobile experience design team. Could this mean a totally unexpected twist in Samsung's flagship design? Only time will tell. Now onto the leaks. Ice Universe, the leak maestro, has been dropping truth bombs. A flat screen could be in the works for the S24 Ultra, hinted by the rumored 79mm width. Brightness buffs, rejoice. We might hit a hopping 2,500 nits peak display brightness, a jump from the previous 1,750 nits. Hold on to your seats, luxury seekers. There's chatter about a shift to a titanium frame, bringing a seriously posh vibe. Apple's iPhone 15 Pro set the bar with aerospace-grade titanium, and Samsung might just follow suit. Bonus, could shed a gram or two in weight, despite titanium's typically heavier nature. And here's a camera twist. Could the S24 Ultra flip the script and consolidate lenses into one sleek module instead of the individual frame setup we're used to? Camera. Recent rumors suggest that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might not bring all the zoom you'd expect. Whispers are saying Samsung might trade in the 10x zoom lens for a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Hold the phone, that's potentially a step down from the zoom game we saw in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is also said that the S24 Ultra might sport a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, giving us 5x optical zoom. But hold your horses, it's also rumored to feature a 10-megapixel sensor with 3x optical zooming. Now here's the plot twist. The S24 Ultra might play second fiddle in telephoto performance compared to Xiaomi 13 Ultra, which boasts dual 50-megapixel sensors and some serious zooming capability. If this rumor holds water, the S24 Ultra's zoom game might match up with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, stepping down from the zoom powerhouse we got with the S23 Ultra and its 10x optical zoom. Battery. Let's talk power. Yeah, we mean that battery life magic. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra brought a beastly 5,000 mAh battery to the party, and guess what? We're placing our bets that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will keep the same energy pack setup. But hey, here's the cool part. Word on the street is that Samsung might switch things up a bit with a stacked battery, giving us even more juice in the tank. More battery life. Count us in. Currently, the charging game stands at 45 watts, but we're crossing our fingers for a speed boost to 65 watts. Imagine that lightning-fast charging experience. Specs. Samsung shook things up by swapping their Exynos chip for the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the S23 Ultra. The S24 Ultra? Hold on to your seats. It's expected to level up with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. That means efficiency cranked to the max and a serious power boost under the hood. And guess what? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus gave us a sneak peek on Geekbench, confirming this new Qualcomm powerhouse. But here's the juicy tidbit that for Galaxy Twist means a unique cluster setup, giving us a one-of-a-kind performance that will set it apart from the rest. Talk about standing out in the crowd. Now let's talk storage magic. There's a buzz in the air suggesting that the S24 Ultra might blow our minds with a hopping 2 TB of built-in storage, doubling up from the S23 Ultra. Oh, that's not all. Rumor has it that there might be a fresh 128GB model with 8GB of RAM, broadening the horizons for the next-gen squad. Options, options, and more options. And there you have it. That's a wrap on today's tech extravaganza. If you were as thrilled as we were diving into the latest Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors, show us some love by hitting that like button. If you crave more of the freshest rumors and updates in the tech universe, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Your support means the world to us. Thanks a ton for tuning in, and until next time, stay plugged in and catch you in the next one.